Dental Care Kit. A dental care kit is a portable set of hygiene essentials. In this set you will get a toothbrush, dental floss, a dental toothpick, a dental pick, a tongue cleaner and a dental mirror. This kit is a handy, compact set designed for basic oral hygiene maintenance at home or on the go. It's made from high-quality, rust-resistant, stainless steel for durability and long performance. Buy one pack of dental care kit, only $3.49. The kit provides a comfortable and secure hold for precise control. These instruments are suitable for personal, oral care, pet dental hygiene, or professional dental practices. It also effectively removes plaque, tartar, and stains to prevent cavities and gum disease. Moreover, using a dental care kit helps reduce the risk of costly procedures such as filling, root canals, or gum therapies in the future. It contributes to confidence and a bright smile. This kit makes it easy to maintain oral hygiene at home, at work, or while traveling. Regular oral care at home is important to prevent dental problems and maintain overall health. Leave your feedback. Thanks for watching this video.